Welcome to Makini School. This is a center where we are offering and implementing the new curriculum. We have got different fields of the CBC, and for this case I'm going specifically to look at the sector of agriculture. I'm looking at grade 5 project where we are looking at innovative gardening. What is innovative gardening? Innovative gardening is simply using the available area to do farming. These areas specifically cannot be adequate enough to hold large-scale farming. It's a small-scale area where farmers use the small lands that are available to do this. Now, if you look at this, we have got different forms of innovative gardening. We've got the vertical innovative gardening and we have got the horizontal innovative gardening. Vertical innovative gardening is where we are planting through the support of either walls, bars, or any other area that can support growing crops while they are being supported